So let's see the structure of a prokaryotic cell, of a bacterium. This is a rod-shaped bacterium. Bacterium em forma de bastó. Això seria bacil. The first layer we find is the wall. La primera capa que trobam és la pedra, made up of a substance called murine. Murine. It's a complex substance. It's a complex polysaccharide, exclusive from bacteria. It's not found in animal cells or plant cells or any other kind of cell, only in bacteria. Next.
Cytoplasm?
No, the next layer we find is the membrane. So let's draw a second layer called, sorry, we have to put, this is a fold, això és plug, plug, pliegue. So you have to draw again two lines because it has some thickness, algum brush. Just paint it in a different color. Pintau-lo d'un color diferent. No, alerta. No m'ho d'omplir de color la rua. El que has d'omplir de color és la membrane. This is the membrane. The membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. So we write in brackets protein plus lipids. And this fold, in fact there are two of them here, the fold or plug is called mesozone. We'll find quite a few names ending with this termination, some. Chromosome, ribosome, mesosome. Well, all the inside of the cell is the cytoplasm. What do we find in the cytoplasm? Because the prokaryotic cell has no nucleus and it has no true organelles. No té nucli ni tampoc verdaders orgànuls. We will not find mitochondria, we will not find Golgi, whatever. But we find the most important thing in a cell. Què és el més important d'una cèl·lula? The chromosome. In this case, just one. En els bacteris, només un cromosoma. Closed, cerrado, o tancat, no té extrems, and made up of DNA, format, igual que el nostre, d'ADN. A tota cèl·lula els cromosomes són d'ADN, no existeixen cromosomes d'ARN a les cèl·lules. En el virus sí. Per tant, anem a pintar un únic cromosoma. Let's draw just one chromosome. Very long, molt llarg, and it could also be in both parts of the cell. chromosome is made up of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It's very long. It's about 700 times the length of the cell. Did you understand me?
Yes.
700 times, 700 to 800 times the length of the cell. So if the cell is about 1 or 2 micrometers, the chromosome is over 1 millimeter long. Un cromosoma que fa més d'1 mil·límetre de llarg. Com és possible posar un cromosoma de més d'1 mil·límetre de llarg dins una cosa que fa una mil·lèsima de mil·límetre? Bueno, sobretot que és molt fi. It's very thin. What's the diameter of the DNA? Do you remember that? Being 20 angstrom. So it's very, very, very thin. So you can have a long chromosome in this small cell, provided it's very thin. A condició que sigui molt fi. 20 angstrom. It's absolutely thin. Okay. What else? Now we have ribosomes. Ribosomes, do you remember?
Yes.
Those particles that play a vital role in the synthesis of proteins. Juguen un paper vital a la síntesi de proteïnes, no? With both subunits, major and minor subunits. So, just draw small dots, many of them, hundreds of them, and each one is a ribosome. What are the ribosomes made up of? RNA, in particular rRNA, ARN ribosomic, plus proteins. Do you remember that proteins are synthesized in ribosomes, and that ribosomes are made up of 50% of them are proteins? So it's quite a paradox. Proteins are made or are built in particles that consist of a 50% of proteins. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Proteins are built in structures that are made up of proteins. So how were the first proteins synthesized? We don't know. We don't know. Okay, that's the basic structure of a bacterium. You can finish the recording.